Hello, so this question is merge similar items. So basically you are given an items array and then the index 0 represent value, index 1 represent a weight. And basically you just keep adding for the item 1 array and items 2 array. So if they have the same value, right? So for example 1 and 1, right? So you need to add the weight together, right? So this is how you get 6, right? And it has to be the ascending order, so we can use the TreeMap. So TreeMap is pretty super easy. This is because you already, the TreeMap already sorted, right? So we can use one function inside the TreeMap we can use merge, right? So merge is like put, be honest, but you just keep adding the value you already had in the map. So I'm gonna say value 1 and this is weight 1, and this should be the normal, like a normal merge, right? So if you have a key already inside the map, right, you can use like integer dot sum, right? Integer dot sum. So which meanwhile you will merge the new value and new weight into the key and value you already had in the TreeMap. So let me just quickly just give you an example. Like just imagine this is a TreeMap, right? So I will say put 1 and then 2, right? So if I have another value, say 1, which is the key, and I want to merge 2 into the map, right? And I can use the integer dot sum. So the answer will become 1, 4, right? But in this case, we're using merge. So merge, if you don't have a key inside the map, you create it, right? So this is how it is. So let's just start coding. So we know we are going to merge the value together, and then list of this integer is my return value. Return type, and I'm going to return result. So I'm going to say TreeMap integer. I'm going to call map new TreeMap. So I'm traversing the value inside the items 1 and items 2, right? So map.merge. So I'm going to say item 0 and items 1. And if you have the same key, if the key is already inside it, right, then I will just integer dot sum. So using the same idea, but I'm going to just change to items 2. So everything is all set, and then I have to push into the list of lists, which is my result for my TreeMap, right? So I can just say I can just traverse the entry set, right? So for I'm using a var instead, and then map.entry set, right? I will pull the key and value for the year for every single one of it, right? So result.add, and then I need to generate an array for every single e, right? Arrays.add list, and e.get key, comma, e.get value. And this is going to be pretty much a solution. So let me run it. Alright, so let's talk about the time and space. For the TreeMap this is going to be what? Log n, but for every single one of the array, this is going to be all of n representative of items 1. This is going to be items 2, all of m, right? And then this is going to be log, depending on the size of the TreeMap, be honest. So for the worst case, I'm going to say if you know the maximum size for the items 1 and items 2, so let's just say n equal to what? Items 1 m equal to items 2, right? And then for the worst case, just imagine n is the worst case, so it's going to be n log n, right? N represent the first for loop, and then log n represent the merge. And this is going to be pretty much the solution. And this is definitely all of n, right? Every single one of the element inside the TreeMap. So just traversing, and this is super easy. So for the time, I mean for the space, this is what the worst case for what? The worst case for the MOM. So it's gonna be maximum n comma n. So this is a solution for the space, and the time is depending on the maximum n comma n log maximum n comma n. So this is a solution, and I'll talk to you next time. Bye.